If you can see my screen, please. Let's see. Where's chat? Chat is right here to everyone. Can you see my screen though? I wanna know. Can you see my screen? That's important because what I want to share is on my screen. Can you see it? Can you chat? Type something if you can hear me. Type something in the chat. I don't think I disabled the chat. I'm gonna find a way to work this screen sharing thing properly. But yeah, for now, just let me know if you can see it. All right. Okay. Cool. 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 All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good. 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 So this is what we're gonna do. This is my profile. The first thing I want to show you guys. This is my profile on TradingView. Uh, on TradingView, I started posting ideas. I started posting ideas. Let's see. You see, just November 21st, right there. I started posting ideas November 21st. That's 7 days ago. 7 days ago. Now, because I want you guys to take all this free content you're getting seriously. It's valuable. It's valuable. Like this is something people are paying so much for. Let's enjoy it. Okay, so that's 7 days ago. What do you guys see? I have 189 reputation. 7 days ago. Ideas 20. Likes 95. 95 people have supported my idea and 4 followers. 7 days ago. I'm not running after anyone. I'm just posting, right? So let's do a little bit of comparison. This is 7 months ago. I joined this thing 1 month ago, 7 days ago. So let's do a little bit of comparison. So now this is some guy, Bill. I'm following it, Bill
Perfect.
Clarity. Hello.
Perfect. Can you Tunde, this is Tunde.
Tunde, how you doing, bro?
Good. I just joined right now.
That's good, man. Can you mute your stuff?
Okay. Good.
All right. Happy Thanksgiving though.
Same to you.
All right. Mute your mic. Let's keep going. So if you look at this guy, Bill Charison. Mute your mic, please. This is Bill Charison. Let's see. This is some guy that has been trading for I don't know how he joined 2 years ago. He has posted 310 ideas 2 years ago. See how many repetition he has as a result. See how many likes. See how many followers. Can you guys see that? At the rate I'm actually going with it. But that's not even the interesting part. That's just getting started. So now I've posted this. Now let's see what I've posted so far. This is the incredible thing. Let's see what I've posted so far. This, right, was yesterday. I said if you read what I posted, if it breaks this white trend line here, then I think I will enter a sell. If it doesn't break it, let's go up. We're going up from here anyway. Let's go up, right? Do you guys get that part? If you get it, type in the chat or mute yourself and say yeah.
No.
No, no. Okay. Do you see this white trend line? This white line right here. Can you see this white line?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Down here, I said if that white line is broken downward, we will sell. I will enter for a sell. Do you understand the way this thing is moving like this? Does it make any sense at all? Anyone?
Not really.
No, not really. Okay. So price has been coming down. If you see red on my chart, it means that it is going down. If you see red on my chart, it means that it's going down. And if it is going down, it means that we want to sell because that's the only way we will make money. I said, so now here, going down, what is it doing? Going up. You see it here, right? I will show you in the chart. So going up. I said if it breaks this white line that I drew, we'll sell. Let's see what price did. Let's see. Ooh. Ife, why did you do that, bro? You just got it absolutely right. Look at what I said. If it doesn't break it, we'll take it up. What happened? It went right there. If you get that, say or mute and let me hear. Let me just know that I'm making sense.
Yeah, you're making sense.
All right. Okay. Good. So you see that I put that arrow that it should go up. Can you see that from this place that I said if it doesn't break this line down, we should just go up? It went all the way up right there. I did not make this thing up. I'm not the one who set up the market. So that's one idea, right? That's just an idea right now. This is the one, this trade, I took this trade today. Look at the accuracy. Now, another trade that I posted. Let's see. I said this is my possible target, but this is on a I think this is on a 4 hour. I will explain all these things better. I just want to show you guys first, real quickly. So am I recording? Is it recorded on maybe? Oh yeah, it is. Good. So this one, I said I want it to go down. I said I will enter a short-term sell if price breaks this trend line and support. If price comes down below this place that I put this yellow stuff. Let me see. Okay, so sorry guys. Okay. So I said I'll enter a short-term sell if price breaks the trend line and support, right? This place that I put yellow. Let's see what happens, guys. Price did not break it, and I did not enter the trade, and I did not lose money. Does that make sense? Can you see how accurate I'm getting? I said if this thing comes down from here, then I'll be selling it to this place, and I'll be selling it there. But look at what price did. It went up, so I did not enter the trade because I had already said. And I said again, where is my arrow anyway? I said it should be coming up, down from this up. You see how accurate that was? Second trade. I can show you on and on my predictions. This is crude oil. I said come down, come down. It has started. Let me just go over my trades real quick. This is gold. I said come down from this yellow spot. Let's see what's going on with it. It's coming down. Let's go to GBP NZD sell. This is something. Look, this particular trade right here. Can you guys see this trade? Let me show you absolute perfection of trade. Can you guys see this trade? If you can.
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. Do you see where this line that I drew, this tiny line that I drew, can you see? This popular. Can you see where price is at when I made this analysis? When I did this analysis, can you see where price is? This very place. That's where the price is. This place. This is where price is. This green candle here.
Yes.
This green candle here is where price is. You see this green candle here? That's where price is when I did this analysis right here. But I then said from this place, so guys, come and eat. Oh, there's good food. Oh, it will come down from that very place all the way here. Put $1 million in this trade, you will not lose. That was my analysis on this particular trade. Because I said price would not move an inch upward from where it is. I said, but if it will get to this place at the most. Let's see what price did. Interesting analysis, guys. I'm not making this thing up. Let's see what price did. I posted this thing before it happened. Ooh, nasty. Look at this. What happened from that very place? Did price go anywhere up?
No.
Look, from here, it went right down. Where did it stop? Almost at where I predicted, right here. Is that not enough to freak somebody out? Let's keep going. Let's go. This is another trade that I posted. Let's see how this is going to play out. This is a long-term trade, so it might not play out well. But you see this tiny movement? It's already, I said it should go up here at least. It's already approaching. But this is a tiny one. Let me keep going. Let me go. You will see it on and on and on and on. I said, come down. From around here, okay, it has broken. That's the maximum it's going to go. And it's already there. It's going to start boom, 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 boom. I'm not the one who planned this thing. But I just want you guys to see the success rate. Look at this. I said, come down. You see my arrow? Can you see this arrow?
Yes, I can.
I said, come down here. Where did this thing come down to from this place that I marked? Come down here now. Exactly. I said, if it passes here, my arrow up. If it passes this place, it should go up to around here. Look. When it passed it, what did it do? It came up there. That's Bitcoin. So I can keep going. This is US oil. I can go on and on and on. I posted so many trades, and of all the trades I posted, only two were wrong, guys. Only two. It's amazing what's going on. So, well, look at this. I said come down. Absolutely. And what all these things mean, if we don't get it, is money. Money being made. Anyway. So yeah, let's go over our trade rule. Anything from all that I've said so far?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. 1 second, guys. 1 second. So yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, let's go. My apologies for that, man. Okay.
It's okay.
You see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see your screen.
You see my screen, okay, good. So, but do you see what's going on though?
I think I have an idea of what's going on.
it's the level of accuracy is so astounding. So let's go over our chart and what's been happening. So this is Bitcoin right here. I'm going to get a clean chart and show you how I do my analysis from head to toe for Thanksgiving.
About how many minutes does one analysis take?
Well, because I've done it already, it won't take time. I'm going to just make it really, really quick. I'm not trying. I already know where price I got into in the chart. So I think in 10 minutes I would have finished the analysis. So let me.
What if? Huh? Excuse me. What if you want to start from scratch, from like the beginning?
Yeah, if I didn't have an idea at all of what's going on in that market, it could take me up to 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
It just depends on how accurate I really want to get with it.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna turn off your video, but I'm gonna mute your mic. How are you doing, man? Anyway, what's going on, bro? I see you, man. Happy Thanksgiving, my brother.
Happy Thanksgiving, Alpha.
Yeah, let me get back to the. I'm gonna mute you now, bro. Let me get back to the chat real quick. So this is a plain chart that I have not touched at all. That I've not touched at all. This is a plain chart. So the first thing I do on my charts, because this is not how I want my chart to look, so I do the appearance. I want to do the appearance. Ayo, why your question? You raise and just send me a message and I will get back to it as soon as. So I'll do the settings, right? Let's start with symbol. What do I want it to be? What do I want the borders to be? What do I want my candles to be? So if I want my candles to be something else, let me, for the sake of today, let's leave it as green and red the way it is. But if you want to change it to something else, just change it to, purple, change it to dark green. Let's make it Nigerian green, so we can know that that's profit. That's bold. That's big bold. So yeah, good. That's borders week, precision. Then the time zone you want to use. I'm using this time zone, which is GTS. Then the symbol, you set all, just do all this the way I've done it. How do you want your background to be? Do you want it to be dark? Scales and appearance. That's what I want to fix real quick. So my background, I want my background to be a little bit dark. I like it dark so I can put a white thing on it. Make it the darkest it can be. Then the grid lines. I actually don't want to say them. The horizontal lines, I actually don't want to see them. Session breaks. Do I want some session breaks? Let's see. I would say, okay. So text. So we just do it like this real quick. Then trading. We leave all this. Real quick, and then let's go. Let me do Bitcoin analysis. So when I do that, my settings. After I'm done with that settings, I come to my charts. Look at what has been going on with Bitcoin since for the past. I want to check what's been going on with Bitcoin for the past. So let me go to 1 week so I get the view. Since the creation of Bitcoin has been coming all until December 2017. It did that around this time 2 years ago. It just went up. And then now Bitcoin slammed down up until December of last year. Then this year, what we saw is it came up a bit and then down. So now people are anticipating that what is going to happen to Bitcoin next? So this is me starting my analysis. Do you guys get me so far? If you do, let me know. Okay. Let me see. So they can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you.
Do you get it so far?
What did you say?
Do you get it so far?
Yeah, I do. I'm
Okay.
getting it.
Okay. So this is so now people are saying, okay, that has happened now, and Bitcoin. This is around November, December of 2009. What is going to happen next? Well, let's do our analysis. Let's figure this out. The first thing I do, I have this indicator that I use. It's called pivot points high and low. So with pivot points high and low, I use that to pick a trend. Where is the lowest price has been ever? Right? Around here. Where is the highest price has been? Or where's the second lowest price has been? Where's the second lowest price has been? Right here. This is me doing my analysis for you guys. Right here. How do I know that? Because my pivot points are showing me this is the pivot lowest point when it was coming down for the first time. And it has also shown, look at it here. Let me make it big. I'll still make it big, but that's how I start. You see, that's the lowest. So it has shown me that. And it has also shown me that this is about the lowest. So around here, this is where the lowest it has come ever. Where it started from. Or maybe not actually where it started from. But right here. So that's the first trend line I draw. Because that's the first thing I can connect right now. Okay, so that's for the bottom. Let's do for the top. So you guys will see why I say something is about to happen. Or why all of us are saying something is about to happen. So I pick from the top, the highest it has ever been, to the other highest it has been. Bitcoin is about to explode. It's going to explode somewhere between now and a few months. That's a certainty. It's building up seriously. And that explosion, I'm going to catch it. So that's the first thing we see. So we see that price is kind of closing up here. Okay, good. We see that. Let me move this thing a little bit. Okay. Let me do one more thing real quick. I don't want indicators. Take it off. Thank you. Good. So I didn't bring out my fib retracement. There's something called fib retracement. So with my fib retracement, I come to the lowest point I said price has been. I take it up to the highest. I take it to the highest point. Price has gotten to. In life, there's something called, not even trading, in life, there's something called Fibonacci. Fibonacci is so powerful that you guys need to, if you don't know about Fibonacci yet, you guys need to Google it. So the ratio of how long our arm is to the whole hand has a particular ratio that happens to be the same ratio for our thigh to leg. That happens to be the same ratio of the length of our head to the width. That happens to be the ratio of Big Bang Theory, the Milky Way. That happens to be Fibonacci ratio. Go look it up. It's the, if you had 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, if you keep adding it like that, if you divide them, you get a ratio. That particular ratio is the same ratio. It happens to be so magical that I don't know how nature, just the same way everything that goes up must come down, is the same way that ratio works in life. It's a law. And the ratio, the golden ratio is 0.618. So it's a percentage. If you bounce a ball, if you use the force, if you bounce like a pendulum, not even a pendulum, a ball, the up that it will go and the down that it will go, it's a particular percentage, 0.61. If you swing a pendulum, that ratio also works in Forex. So I bring out my Fibonacci. Now look, this is 0. I say price came from this down to this up. That's the highest price has been. I have 0.768. So when will price come back to is what I want to see. Golden ratio right here. Let me zoom it out now so you can see. Golden ratio right here. That's Fibonacci that I'm talking about, 0.61. So when price went up, I expect that it will come down to around there. Why? Because that is my golden ratio. That's my Fibonacci 0.618. So I draw. This is how I do my analysis. I'm actually I'm making it so slow now because I'm trying to teach you guys. So I can either put a, oh my God. So price is exactly at a strong, oh no, Bitcoin is about to bust up.
How did you just know that right now?
Because this long bow, I want to buy Bitcoin right now. Hold on. Let me put some money in my Cash App and buy Bitcoin. This is a good time to buy Bitcoin. I don't even want to know. I don't even want. For the mere fact that, just 1 second. Yeah, good. Let's go. It's going. It's at, so just as I was mentioning the Fibonacci ratio, right? This is 0. This is the golden ratio that works in life that I was talking about. This 0. It means that 61.8%. That ratio of 61.8% is a powerful ratio. So I drew it in Fibonacci and I said price would. That is the point where price will have a reaction. So lo and behold, when price went up here, price came down there. Price made sure that it came down there. Then it went up a little bit and then came down. So what do I expect if price comes down here? I bring my Fibonacci retracement. I say if price goes from down, comes to up, and gets here, what do I expect? I'm expecting price to do what? To come up here. Then I will draw my resistance. Which means that this is around where I'm expecting price to go to. Right? So
So I take that off and then I check another trend. I say, okay, since price did not go up from that place that I said it to go up, it came down. Now let me see what else is happening. I bring out my Fibonacci. I put it back down. I check that 0.68. Where did price come back to again, please? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I didn't even know I had that list. So where did price come back to again? 0.618. Can you see it? Can you see it, bro?
Yeah, I can see it.
That's where price came back to again, right? This 0.
Right.
This stubborn 0.618. So if price comes there, where do I expect that price will go? Now, I bring out my extension. I say if price comes from up here, gets to down here, and retrace here, where do I expect price to go next? It's saying here. Then I bring out my little rectangle again, and I draw a support. Now, from this point that Bitcoin is right now, from this very point that Bitcoin is right now, two things can happen. What will those two things be? Let's check this little place here. I bring out my fins again, right? I've seen that most likely it should come down. This is my resistance, but it wants to go up. This is my support, but it wants to go up. This is my resistance. You need to go that this thing that I said you should watch. That academy that I said, those videos that I said you should watch.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, I'm hearing you.
Those videos that I said you should watch. If
Okay.
you watch, that is the only way these things I'm saying will make more sense to you. Do you get it? But
Yeah, I
I'll
do.
be breaking it down more. So
Okay.
I bring up Fibonacci again. Price came from up here. Please, today, look at this thing. Where did price come down to right now? Again, look at this chart. Can you see 0.618 on my
Yeah,
chart?
the same place it was before.
0.618, right?
Yeah.
Do you think that this is just coincidence? Do you think this is just mere coincidence? I mean, I didn't make any of these things up. I'm not the one who created Bitcoin or the chart or anything. But can you see this exact thing?
Yeah, I can see that.
So from here now, from this point now is where it's dicey. Because on this bull run, this up bull run, and price came back here. We're expecting that price should go up. But then if you look at this downward you say no, price should come down. So where Bitcoin is right now is so dicey. But now this is what I will do. I will say, okay, the last trend that I see is it should come down. Good. Even though it might come up. Good. If price goes from up here, from down here to up here, and it came back down to this place, where's the next place I expect price to go? Let's check it out. This particular last trend. From here, price goes from down to up. Price came to this place, and I'm expecting that maybe this is where price wants to come to now. So I draw my little resistance. I said maybe that's where price is coming to again. Right? But if price, if this thing wants to come down, where will it go to? Let me see. Let me just draw that to real quick now. This thing is, if you know how to trade, bro. If you know how to trade, I'm telling you, you would know for a fact that for real, you will make money inevitably. So came down here, down here. We expect it to come down here. So if this, to me now, if I want to do this analysis, I would say, if price, I would draw another. I must have there's going to be another resistance here too, because that's the 0.618 last angle, and you will see this thing now, how so many things happen around there. This point, with where price is right now, it's a very nice, beautiful place. 7,000. This is around 7,000. It's something is always happening in 7,000 region area of Bitcoin. So let's see. So that's what I expect. Now I would say, if price breaks this, my resist, this is my support, this is my strong support. Let me take this one off so that my chart can be cleaner. Let me take this one off. Okay, cool. So if price breaks this, my support, where's the next place I'm thinking price might want to get to? Now, that is when I bring out this, my pivot point high and low again. So I think if it breaks there, you might want to come here, or just want to come test this zone here. The end of this, where these 2 points met, this is my trend line. This area. And I don't have to do all this. I'm just doing all this because of explanation.
Yeah, I get it.
So this is around here is where if price comes down, if it breaks here, this is around where it might find some trouble coming down again, and if it breaks here, let me put let me put an horizontal line right there. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. This is what I'm trying to do. Where's my horizontal line? Okay, right here. So let me put a white. Let me not make it white. Let's change color to. Let me make it gold. Let me put some gold on right here too. These are some places that I think if price should break, it to come to, and you can have one there, but I already have my phone. So good. Okay, so that's what I see. If it breaks here, it's only when we sell down. If it breaks here, it's only when we sell down. Otherwise, price is going. Otherwise, price is going. Price is going up. And that is why I've bought Bitcoin right now. Because I'm anticipating that. Yeah, I'll be watching it, so I will know. I will see it. But yeah, that is what I see on a very long-term perspective. Now, let's look inside this thing and see what is actually going on. Let's go. See, I'm zooming in a little bit more now. I want to see the price action. I want to see what has really happened to this guy's journey. So I see it's gone up here.
When it broke this place, it broke it and came back down there again. You see, it came up, it broke it like this, it came up like this, and then it came right back down, and then it's going again. This might just be Bitcoin going up forever. The way Bitcoin came down here and started going and did not come back down. The way Bitcoin started going up from this point. You see? And did not come back down. And did not come back down. I think that is what's just happened. That we are just about to keep going like that. Up all the way. But some interesting things will happen along the way. Those interesting things are what we will be using to trade on a daily basis. So this is what I see in the candle. So it came down. Price came down here. It really came back to that 0.618. It came up. The bulls did not have enough power. People would think, oh, let's buy. Bitcoin is going up. Around here, people think, oh, Bitcoin is going up. Let's go. But Bitcoin went up and came back down into that place a little bit to rest inside and be like, yes, now let me start my bull run. I think it's going. So that's on a weekly chart. Another thing that I do is this. Let's bring out my indicators. My indicator is saying there's still some sell action. That's what the indicator is saying right there. Well, let me not take too long doing this thing. So let's go to 1 hour real quick. The daily perspective. So I check daily perspective to real quick just to see which points where price could be right now, and to get my trend line. So let me pick my trend line real quick. Let me pick this is my last. Around here is where my last low is. Around here was the last one too. So right now, Bitcoin does not have the power yet to go up, except if it breaks this line that I'm drawing. I want to make sure I get it right. Because getting it right is really important. Or at least as close to. So something like that. Something like that. So where price is right now, precisely, is at a point where if anything could really happen to it. So that's the immediate thing I see. The second thing I then do is this. I draw the highest points I see to the last highest point. Okay. Good. So the price might still fall a little bit. I don't think it will make it past that place. So I've done a quick trend line to aid my buyers in this. So now let me take off my indicator. Let me zoom in. If I zoom in, what do I see? Okay, cool. All right. Let's take it up. All right, let's go to 1 hour real quick so I can just tell you what will happen to this Bitcoin. I don't want to take too much time, but I'll finish the analysis because I want to know what's gonna happen to Bitcoin. So, but it might take me a little time because I really want to be sure. So on the 1 hour, this is what it will look like. On the 1 hour, if I want to do it, that one I just did now is for 1 month. one week than day. So I think I quickly bring out my Fibonacci. I do this. I do this. This is what I'm expecting it to come back down to. It's gonna be bull, but then that's come here. It didn't come down at all. So two things now. It's either price wants to come back down to right here. Price wants to come back down to that's 0.618. That particular stubborn 0.618. Price wants to come back to 0.618 and then take off and then take off and take off finally. So that's what I see for Bitcoin. This is what I see for Bitcoin right now on a very short term, and more things that I can use to guide how I know that is this. Let me bring back that pivot point here. I draw my trend line from the lowest point to the lowest point. You see that's the lowest point here, and this is the lowest point here. So I draw my trend line that way, and I pick another trend line. I look for the last top to top, so I can get a trend. So I see Bitcoin in this channel. Look at this, like it's within this white line. Let me take this thing off. 1 second, let me take something off. I don't want to have this line there. 1 second. Let me take session breaks off. And cross air. Okay, yeah, I think it's better like that. It's just so much in my okay. Okay, better. So look at this place, this low point here. You see that's the lowest price came, and this is the lowest price came at some point. So price has been going from down here to up here, to down here to up here. So what do we naturally expect? That price will want to come back down here, which will then complete this particular trend. Do you see this channel? Do you see this from down here to up here, to down here to up here? So we expect that it will come down to somewhere here, and then maybe to go up, and then maybe to go up. So that's what I see right now. No, already. So if I didn't have to explain and do all those stuff, I would have already seen this, and I'll just be bringing. So I think this is gonna happen. That's what I see. Okay, cool. So we're just gonna sell Bitcoin for a little distance, and then we'll write it back up. I'm gonna jump in a trade because this is a very good place to actually sell. I'm gonna jump in this trade, I think. So let me use, where's my moving average? My moving average is saying it's kind of going up. So I use my moving average. Another thing that I will use is I want to see from the last highest that I can see that price had come in a 1 hour distance. The last highest that I think This is the last highest point that price had come ever in a 1 hour chart. So I draw a trend line from that point that I'm at. I bring it to this point, and I just try to draw it. So with this, I can know whether this thing will still kind of go up more from where it is, or it's going to start coming down. From almost everything that I see, it's coming down. So let me make it. Let me get inside. Yeah, it's coming down. It's coming down. Only breaks where it is now. It's coming down. I should get in for a GBP for a Bitcoin sell. I should get in. It's a very lovely time to sell it. It might even be while we're doing this video that it will break, it will collapse. You'll be like, damn, bro, you said it. And it might be in the next 6 minutes. Or maybe this is 1 hour chat. Soon, pretty soon, I'm gonna catch this trade. So that's what I see. Like right now, that it's at the end of the channel. So cool. I just need a few more indicators to confirm. I bring out my MACD. My MACD is saying that something is about to happen. It's about to cross. This is one of my indicators. When this thing crosses and it shows me red, it means that I should get in for a nice, beautiful sell. A nice, beautiful sell. So yeah, then I get more confirmation. My stochastic RSI is going up a little bit, and then when it crosses and comes down, we're approaching a sell. What is the present momentum? Momentum is looking like there's still some up, but it's approaching a sell. What is my volume? Let's see what the volume in the market. There's some selling volume. Okay. Do you get what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get more confirmations that this thing is going to go my way. This thing is going to go my way. I'm trying to get as much confirmations that this thing is going to go my way. So I've seen that. Okay, it might be ready for a sell. It might be ready for a sell. So then I'll bring out my Fibonacci in this present time. I'll take my Fibonacci from here, the lowest, to this here, the highest. Price came from this lowest to this highest. Oh my God, I'm missing on this sell. Oh, damn. Well, I'll catch it elsewhere. And then came to 0.618 exactly, and we expect it to come up here. But price did not quite get there. So it will be interesting to see whether that's what price wants to do. To come up here exactly. To come up to this place. That'll be a really good point to then sell it down. So if that happens, so let me take that thing off. We've already marked that point right there. So because price has not gotten there, there's a possibility that that's what price wants to do, to come up here. And maybe that's why it's still in this channel. So, but from where price is right now, if price decides that it wants to start coming down, where are we looking to take profit? Right here. So let me draw my. So we're looking to take profit right here on this trend line, on this where this white and gold line touch. That's where we're looking to take profit. However, if that is not what price wants to do, if price decides that instead of doing it that way, I still want to come up some more and comes here. Where are we expecting to take profit? Still somewhere around there. So this place, I will then draw just another. I will draw another distance inside this channel, inside this place. Just this old 0.618 is just a strong. There's just so much stuff going on around here. I'll make that. What color should I make that to one? I want it to be a color that I will see. Okay, good. Let me take this thing off. Let me take this Fibonacci off. Actually, let me put it. So if price comes from 0 to 1, we expect it to come down here. Price did not come down there. So two things can happen. Either from where it is now, it starts to come down, or it first breaks where it is, comes up here, and then comes down. We'll go check it out now in lower time frame. Let's go to lower time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes. Now I'm on the 15 minutes chart. So I bring back my indicator. I put my pivots points high and low. How long have you been on this call? Let me see how long this thing has been for. 1 hour. Okay, we'll soon be done then. I'll soon be done. So I bring up my pivot points high and low. I want to pick a trend. This is the lowest, immediate lowest that we see. It comes up here. Okay. I see another. This is the highest two pivots that I see. It looks like price might really want to just finish its bull run. Price might just want to finish its bull run before we slam back down. If that's what's about to happen, man, I'm seeing things, man. I'm seeing things. So yeah, I pick that trend real quick. That's the first thing I would do, and I'll try to pick another long trend. So let me, yeah, I think that's enough so that we don't do too much. So from here, we pick the two lowest. From another trend, I might just want to pick for the sake of is this one right here. From here, from this point to this point. So let me drag it out. Those are possible places that price could go. So I think, yeah, that trend too is important. So if price manages to break this place, if it breaks, if price breaks this place, this is where it's coming. Up here. This is where it's coming. If it breaks this place, this is where it's coming. And it will speed up there. It will speed up there. If it doesn't break there, it's come down. If it comes down and it loses strength here, it's gonna slam down here. And if it doesn't break there, we'll get some reaction. We'll just get some So that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to straighten it. Yeah, good. You don't stay in my analysis, please. Don't block my view. Let me think I see better road. Ah, okay, good, 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 good. I see what's going on in this place. So let me zoom it out a bit. Let me see if my Fibonacci can do anything for me at all from where price is right now. So I bring out my Fibonacci. When you study this thing, you would understand. You see that I will be right. I'm going to put my money in this thing. I just want to do it so that I conclude on what price wants to do, and I will just enter the trade and just go and eat my turkey. So price came from up here. We're thinking maybe it's about to come down. Not yet. And then boom. Okay, cool. Cool. What's moving average saying? What's moving average saying? Puts moving average. Moving average is saying it might want to come down from here. What's the momentum we have? Our momentum seems like it wants to go up. So we'll see if it's going to break that place. What's my stochastic saying? It's saying that it's coming down, but we might have something happening soon. What is the volume? There's some buying action going on. So this is how I'm making my decision. What is MACD saying? MACD is saying that something is about to happen. So these two are saying something is about to happen. So which way is something? It depends on which way they cross. If this crosses in a way that it's looking bullish like that, then it's bull. Then this one too, if the cross is looking bull. But from all indications, it's actually looking more bull than. It's looking like it's going up. You see, it's looking more like it's gonna go up than down. But we'll see. We'll see, bro. Are you seeing this thing?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello? Okay.
So let's see. Let me reduce the time frame again, because I want to know what is gonna happen to this thing from where it is, like right now. Bring my pivot points. I quickly try to get a trend. I try to get a trend. Yeah. I try to get a trend. Ooh, can somebody buy me some Bitcoin? It's about to happen. Let's see. If the next 5 minutes stays like this, then it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. So it's already above some support right there. It's already standing above some support right there. And so that's what I see from there. Cool. So if it doesn't break where it is, if it manages to break where it is, then good for Bitcoin right now. Then we'll be looking at, if it breaks where it is, then we'll be looking at possible place that it could come to. Will be somewhere here. So because that's a possible place it could come to, let's put I'll put my supports. I'll put my supports. So that's my support. Oh, no way, bro. Okay, well, I'm gonna pull back. I shouldn't be rushing after the market. Bro, it's spiking. I told you. It's spiking. I'm recording this thing live. It's happening. Oh my days. This is just something else. So, if it doesn't survive that place, which is gonna survive it? Hold on, man. Let me put it in 1 minute. Let me catch this. Yeah. Alt R. Let's see. 1 minute. Kilo ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó ti wá drop síbẹ̀ yẹn fún mi. Ìfẹ́ ra kìíní yìí. Ìfẹ́ getting a buy, bro. Well, imagine rush. This time, let's see. This time. So in 1 minute, where's my last low? I see this. No, can't trust me. Bro, this thing is about to spike, man. Like, that's the way I do all this my analysis. This thing is just, well, let's see. We might have, oh, yes, that's it. It's about to go. I don't even, 1 second. 1 second, bro. Or maybe I should just buy the pullback. I don't want to be greedy, bro. One second. Good. If you want to enter a buy for Bitcoin right now, this is the right time. I'm coming. I'm trying to enter the trade up.
What is going to be the stop limit for this kind of buy?
Huh?
What is going to be the stop limit and stop loss for this kind of buy?
Where will I put my stop loss?
Yes.
My stop loss will be just right under this thing. Because I already see this is what 7642. 1 second, bro. 7642. 30 pips. So how much am I willing to lose? 660 pips. 600, 7599.8. So 7599.8. So that's 50 pips, and so I'm willing to risk 50 pips. Good. Oh, sure. Yeah, vintage this bad boy, man. You ask me what stop loss should I put? What's the stop loss I put, because I think I caught a perfect entry for a buy. The stop loss I put is just at 50 pips below where price is right now, which is good because I'm in a 1 minute chart. I don't think price would do that badly. So that's what I see from the top here. Then I draw another. So yeah, it's a good time to just buy it. It's a good time to just buy it. Like a really, really good time to just buy it. I mean, it would, just as expected, it will pull back a little bit. And now that it has pulled back, you might just want to add a little more position to your stuff. And then let's ride. So yeah, that's what I see for Bitcoin right now. 7599.8. Good. So that's a beautiful entry that I just caught, bro. That entry that I just caught right now is so. So where do you think price would go to? Are you looking at the screen?
Yes.
You see how this thing is floating away from, how it's floating away from that place.
I can't hear it.
So yeah, that's what I see for Bitcoin right now. Okay. But then I'll just keep an eye on it because I don't want it to come down. So, and then pick the last point it went to right here. So I'm expecting it to come somewhere here to the top of my resistance up there. Oh, you see, are you seeing what I'm saying, bro? I'm so glad I'm recording this. Oh my days. Oh my days. Let's enjoy this. Are you seeing the price of Bitcoin floating? Ooh, what a nice entry. What a beautiful entry. And now it has come down to confirm that it is ready for up. If it stops there, that is it. That is it. Let's go. So yeah, bro. I think this is where I'm gonna end this analysis for now. And thanks to everyone for being on there.
Okay.
If you got this trade with me right now, and this thing is actually going up, get ready for about get ready for over 100 pips in a few minutes.
Did you say 100K?
Huh?
Did you say 100K?
Is it what?
Did you just say 100K?
100
Like 100.
100 pips. Get ready for 100 pips in the next few minutes. 100 pips in the next minutes. If you enter this trade with me right now, cool. Okay. All right, bro.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So see you later. Thanks for today. I hope you learned something. If you did, if you did, that's incredible. We're gonna keep learning. All right, bro.
Okay, bye.
All right.